Hello, I just made this bomb old omelet. Oh my goodness. It had
Gotta find my joint up
onion, turkey, bacon, 3 eggs, American cheese, tomato, and spinach, salt and pepper. That was off the chain. Anyways, I should have took a picture and a video of it. But I made it for my little sister that
20 karat ring, I put my fingers down her throat. If I lose a carrot, she might choke.
I
She gon' swallow shit.